The topic is video Wild Legend, uh, Suicide in the Life. I observe and I in imaginations when studying. I'm a graduate. They are I think Ernest Hemingway, not Ernest Hemingway, maybe Santiago is a famous uh, in the literature. So he catch is a novel hunting a fish. He's an expert on fisherman because he 84 days struggles. He don't believes limited results to that limited result can't to better result. You know, if if I any habits, any good habits which develop after 6 year, you go to better result you. So I think Ernest believes that 84 days but after good result. He is a passionate and belief and determinations. I'm back to decide. I'm here. Disappointments. So uh, never to lose me. Or maybe he still success. He catch a fish, a big fish, malolins. I think uh, the biggest fish in the history. I think the on this year, but he did not. He says because the struggling of the journey uh, is very outstandings, but sometimes very low upstreams because this journey actually he say success is limited to you have to see like the stones of like the coins of picture. I learned because actually the importance of your journey. I think you pass the journey even till the back. Oh, I am difficult phase, and you have to energize. And you big loss in life, you better to take energy back. And I think to back your thoughts, which is very different enough within back to 5 year and go to back because you amazing life of starting journey. I think you go out before 5 year and 10 year, and every time of the with the passage changed, and you know that way even shortcut and even lose yourself with you have no choice of the way. And even you uh even you now to if you clean the hair, if you uh after the month and week will be grow because this is a naturally fundamentals grow. I think when even the sun grow and sunshine, this world sunshine is very slow, and after of the orange walls with the all the enlightened world, because starting point is very below, is very low, never seen you come out the results, and even you show the results because and you're cycling enough. Let's grow. I hope this video you enjoy too, and you entertainment, and actually entertain. You will enter the presence of moment. You will be entertainment your thoughts because as human being with thoughts to train with thoughts to train, that's why we entertainment.